Everyone, I found this board with a big red covering, and I really want to join me in opening this up. So, I think it might be hieroglyphs. There's a swirl up here. There's an arrow pointing down, an arrow pointing up, and two things that could be hands maybe, and there's a hand, a zigzag, down and up and up. I'll tell you what, I'll take a photo of it so you can see, okay? And meanwhile, I'm going to try and interpret these hieroglyphs, these Egyptian hieroglyphs, and see if I can make a dance from it. You might need to help me at the end though, so join in with me. Come on.
Okay, I've been working this out. The Egyptians used hieroglyphs, and sometimes these hieroglyphs could give instructions, and these are instructions for a dance. The swirl means we have to spin around. Down means we have to crouch down. Up, what do you think that means? Yeah, we get up again. And two hands means that we clap. And we've got a choice whether we clap once or twice. And I'll decide what to do in a minute. The rest of it can wait. I couldn't figure out the zigzag.
Okay, so we think we've worked out what they mean. The first one was a spin, wasn't it? Okay, the second one we thought was a down, so we thought maybe we'd go down, didn't we? Good, the next one was an up, and then there were two hands, so we could do one clap, or we could do... So let's try that all together. We've got a spin, a down, an up, spin, down, up. Let's take a look at the rest of the hieroglyphs, and I'm going to leave the dance all up to you. Good stuff. See you in a minute.
So here we go, everybody. We've got spin, we've got crouch, stand up, clap, clap. Now, what are the next few symbols? We've got a clap again. What would the zigzag be? I'll leave that up to you. Another down, get up. There's another arrow. How do we go even further up? I've got an idea. Maybe you could jump. Did you already say that? I'm sorry if you did. And I'm going to leave the bottom line to you, okay? But I've been doing some research, and I found that the Egyptians used hieroglyphs for all sorts of reasons. To record who their Pharaoh was, or who their mother or their father was. Also to solve problems. And the person who found out what all the hieroglyphics meant discovered it on the Rosetta Stone. His name was Pierre Bouchard. Maybe you can find out more about him online. But for now, enjoy doing your dance, and I'll see you soon. Bye!